Hello everyone, myself Sagian Dr.Seema Rathi from School of Law and Legal Studies, Sage University, Bhopal. My today's video lecture is on proposal. Proposal is defined under section 2A of the same act, that is Indian Contract Act 1872. This section can be divided into three parts, that is communication of proposal, acceptance of proposal and revocation of proposal. So we will discuss from section 3 to 9 here. Now, introduction. The term proposal is used in Indian law. Offer is used in English law. In India, we will say proposal, promisor, promisee. And in English law, we will say offer, offerer and offeree. Now, definition of proposal, that is defined under section 2A of Indian Contract Act. When one person signifies to another his willingness to do or abstain from doing anything with a view to obtain the assent of that other to such act or abstinence, he is said to make a proposal. Now, what are the elements of proposal? For a proposal, there must be two parties. Proposal must be for an act to do something or abstinence from doing something. And proposal must be intention to get assent of another. Now section 2C, person making the proposal is known as promisor and person accepting the proposal is known as promisee. Now section 3, communication, acceptance and revocation of proposals. All must be communicated to the other person. Now section 4 is communication when complete. So, communication of proposal will be completed when it will come to the knowledge to that person to whom it is made. Now, communication of acceptance is complete against proposer, put in course of transmission to him and out of the power of proposer.